Mini underbody assessment. So a quick walk around. I've only had a 5 or 10 minute look underneath, but this is just the main highlight. So the rear valance is gone. Needs to be replaced. The rear subframe is good. There is some surface corrosion, but I've had a good prod around and it's all very solid in there. Battery box is fine. We know from the previous video that boot floor needs a patch in. I haven't taken the wheels off yet, but I've had a prod around the wheel arches, as I said yesterday on the video. They look good, it's just the underseal that's peeling off, so I think I'll be able to just clean those up, treat the rust and re-underseal. I'm going to walk around this way. So, rear structure on this side of the car is fine. Some underseal peeling off, but the seal and the joints of the rear subframe is all fine under there. There's no problems at all. The seal itself, the seal itself is okay, but you can see the corrosion is in the body step or the body side panel. So I haven't decided what to do with this sill yet. There's a little bit of surface corrosion here. The sill remains good all the way to the front. So this part here, so the sill ends at this point, and then the body panel, the boot floor, the floor panel starts here. You can see that it's been jacked up at this point. It's jacked up, it's damaged the underseal, and over the years the moisture's just got in and rotted it out. So the floor section runs from here. The replacement floor section that's available runs from here to approximately this point here. So that'll capture that part really well. I'm not sure how the front section of the floor pan joins yet, but this is too bad. This is gone, so that needs to be either plated or captured with the floor section. It has had, I found a receipt amongst the paperwork, so it's had a new steering rack fitted, which is good. A new clutch fitted as well. The floor section on the driver's side is weak, and I mentioned yesterday that it has had an MOT patch welded on. You can see that patch here. It's not to the standard I'd have done, let's put it that way. But it's enough to get some rigidity in there to get it through its MOT. The inner wing down to the sill, a bit crusty at the bottom. I'll have to take the underseal off to see what's happening there. The seal's perforated at this point, so she's gone through that. And the rest of the sill, if I shine the torch, you can see it's just starting to go at that lip there. So because of the combined problem at the rear, and because it's been overplated on the hole here, then this sill's going to be replaced, as well as the front floor section. The engine has an oil leak from somewhere. I need to investigate. The front subframe is looking good. There's a little bit of surface corrosion in here that needs to be ground back and undersealed. There were some advisories on the previous MOT. The MOT for this car's just expired, but the last MOT there was advisories for misting, oil misting on the dampers. And it looks like they're the original ones, so it looks like they all need changing. The front valance is good, but the bumper mounting bracket is dented, so that'll just need reprofiling. So, this really is as we expected from the first visit of the car. I will do some shots of the interior, video of the interior when I've taken the trim and the seats out, just to show you what an effect just plating the bottom of the car does and not actually fixing the problem.